everybody, Marty Richards with Greater Richland Tourism here today, and this morning we're doing a little bit of a look forward to one of the newest and greatest experiential things you can do here in the Greater Richland area. So this morning I am joined by Rick and Staci Walters. They are the purveyors, operators, dreamers of the Lavender Experiment that's located, and they are basically scratching out of the earth here, out of a tree farm in the Greater Richland area. Up to this point, you already have been marketing your products out there, and you've been going to different shows and events. So kind of just give me background on how that's been going and where you see that going here in the near future.
Yeah, I can take that one.
Okay.
So last year we did about 18 events. This year we're amping it up to 24.
Okay.
And we're being much more selective about which events that we're going to.
Right.
Again, we're trying to figure that out, and based on experience. You know, I'm a spreadsheet guy, so I got a lot of spreadsheets with a lot of data. Right. In terms of our business plan, it's a four-prong approach.
Yep.
So the shows that we go to, the events, it's about 50% of our income. 30% comes from wholesale, 20% online, and then we're opening it up to our experience for the very first time this year, which we're excited about.
That's a great segue, and that is, so this summer you're going to plan a little bit of on-farm experiences, and the public would be able to, sign up, get that opportunity. Kind of give us a little background into that and what people can expect.
Well, this is the first year, so this is kind of like our trial, first experiment with this. So we're putting in some new features and benefits, like extending the Wi-Fi out here, because in the driftless with the valleys, there's not a lot of cell signals.
Correct.
Putting in a pavilion, electrical. Obviously, we're putting in more plants. But also trying to do it by appointment, because we're on a one-lane road, hard to get in and out, so we just need to figure out how to navigate the traffic in and out of here. We want to make it more of a controlled experience, because we're not like your typical Lavender Farm that has a parking lot, a designated building, employees. It's really us, family members. My cousin helps us out, my dad helps out a lot, and friends. So this will be the year that we figure all of that out.
You bet. What's the schedule as far as offering your first experiences?
So right now we're looking at 2 to 3 weekends, late June, early July. People can go to our website, they can register, pick a time, a 90-minute time frame, and register in groups of 10.
Okay, awesome. And then, where can they get the information? So through Greater Richland Tourism, of course, we'll be happy to, on social media and our website, make that connection. But for the general person out searching the web, looking for contact, where would they find that information?
Yeah, you can find us on Facebook, on Instagram. The Lavender Experiment is our handle. Did it say handle? I don't know if they say handle. But we do have a website where we sell product, and that is through Shopify. So Lavender Experiment, Shopify.com.
Okay. And so I know we've got that coming that you're looking forward to. I also know you're kind of looking even further ahead with, you're going to have new plannings. Just kind of, can you share a little bit behind the scene what you're thinking or what your plan might be?
So we're going to be planting about 900 more plants in this area, along with the pavilion towards the top of the hill. We're getting the local FFA out to help us out with this.
Which FFA was that?
Ithaca.
Ithaca FFA.
Helping us out. We're looking
Sorry, I am required by statute.
It's a big shout out to them, because we have had to move this multiple times due to weather.
You bet.
In fact, we got the tractor stuck last week.
You are truly farming now. When you get a tractor stuck, that's
city boy on a tractor. You're going to get stuck.
But this didn't work the first time, so we actually pulled up a lot of fabric, a lot of old plants that just didn't look great, and we reimagined the entire plot a little bit. We'll probably redo some of the hillside, maybe expand in some other areas, but looking forward to seeing what this looks like. But we really wanted to embrace the driftless with the valley and what this all looks like
You bet.
for everybody.
Yep. And this is, it's really cool with the ponds, the setting with the lavender, and then the trees around, because it was, you know, or is a tree farm. Really, the setting is awesome. So I know guests will really just enjoy coming up and relaxing and having that experience. So, well, very cool. Thanks so much for being with us today and just sharing the vision, and then helping the guests again understand when they come what they'll experience as well. And just real quick, shout it out to us again, your handle. Where can they get a hold of you at?
lavenderexperiment.com.
Okay, awesome. Thanks so much for joining me today. And on greaterrichlandtourism.com, as well as our social media channels, you'll be able to see more as the experiment goes forward, and we'll be able to share those dates of signups and different things, you know, as they develop. So again, for Greater Richland Tourism and the Lavender Experiment, I'm Marty Richards. Let's everybody have a great day.